Hello students, today I will explain exercise 14b. So which is very easy. In first question you have to draw the length 6.9 centimeter using ruler. In second question we have to draw the length 5.8 with the ruler and compass. Okay, so I will start with second question. So the length is 5.8 centimeter. So these are centimeters bete. So always you start from 0. Okay, so this will be the this is 5.5. Okay, so 6 is 8th observation. You know that na, in a ruler there are 10 observations. So 8th observation you have to take. Okay, so this will be 5.8 centimeter. Okay, so this is the first question also. In first question 6.9 centimeter you have to draw. Okay, now you have to draw with compass also. So with compass how you can draw? Look carefully. So firstly put on the tip of that line segment. Okay, then you have to take any one point downside. Okay, suppose it is C. Okay, then from C point you have to draw one arc. So this arc will be there bete. So this arc will be there when you join this. Okay, with the scale. Okay, so this will be the length, same length as upside. Say upside length is 5.8. So this length is 5.8. Okay, so this is DC. Any point you can take. Okay, so this is also 5.8 centimeter. Okay, so similarly other questions bete. Construct AB equal to 6.7 centimeter. From this you have to cut AC 3.5. Okay, measure BC. So you have to draw 6.7 centimeter. This is the third question. You have to make a line of 6.7. So you have to start from 6. So this is 6.7 centimeter. Okay. Then you have to cut. Your line is 3.5 centimeter. So that is AC. AC. So how you can cut bete? With compass you can cut it. So this will be your compass. So measure 3.5 centimeter. So how you can measure bete? You can measure, firstly draw any line segment. So firstly draw 3.5 centimeter. Okay, then you have to cut. You have to measure. So this is AC. So similarly you put the needle on A and cut C point. Okay, so this is C point bete. So this is 3.5. This is 3.5 centimeter and AB is 6.7 centimeter. Full is 6.7 centimeter. अब देखो बेटे कि full length is 6.7. We have to cut 3.5. So BC is how it can come by subtraction. So BC equal to 6.7 minus 3.5. 7 minus 5 2, 6 minus 3 3. So 3.2 centimeter is the answer. Understand? So similarly other parts bete. In fourth question twice means double. Okay, so do yourself. In fifth question firstly AB 5.1, CD 2.9 centimeter. Okay, construct PQ such as length is equal to the sum of length of AB and CD. So AB और CD को बेटे add कर दो. Okay, then you have to draw PQ. Okay, so I will solve one part. Okay, so it is fifth question. So what is given? AB is 5.1 centimeter and CD is 2.9 centimeter. So they are saying that PQ is the length which is equal to the sum of AB and CD. So if you add both length 2, 9, 10, 1 carry 3, 5, 8, so 8.0 centimeter. So this length you have to draw, verify by measurement, verify by measurement. So how you can measure with the ruler? So firstly you have to make a line of 5.1 centimeter. So 5.1 centimeter. This is a 5.1 centimeter. Okay, CD is a 2.9. CD is a 2.9. Okay, so this is CD. Okay, so in blackboard it is very small. Okay, so take care carefully. After that PQ is 8 centimeter. So you have to add. Now look carefully. So these are EF. See, this is not EF, this is PQ, sorry. PQ is 8 centimeter. Now you have to check. So how you can check? With the compass. So AB is 5.1 So this is 5.1 centimeter. So look carefully. We have to make one arc on PQ. हमने वेरीफाई करना है चेक करना है. इसी तरह अब CD 2.9 ले ली हमने. अब देखो 2.9 ली फ्रॉम टेक एनी पॉइंट L यू कैन टेक. अब L पॉइंट से जब हम कंपास रे के इस आर्क को लगाएंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है लुक केयरफुली. बिल्कुल हमारी कट होगी जितनी ये लेंथ है, जितनी ये लेंथ है. ठीक है, तो इसको हम जब कट करेंगे तो हमारे पास बिल्कुल कहां पर कट हो रही है, ये Q पॉइंट पे कट हो रही है. ठीक है, तो इसका मीनिंग क्या है? दिस इज 5.1 एंड दिस इज 2.9. इफ यू ऐड देन इट इज 8 सेंटीमीटर. अंडरस्टैंड कि ओनली यू हैव टू चेक. You know that when adding it is 8 centimeter, but they have said that कि you have to check. So how you can check? By compass you can check easily. Okay, so similarly in sixth question also verify by measurement. Firstly AB you can double it. AB का डबल कर दो 7.2. Okay, then you have to subtract 7.2 minus 4.8 is to PQ. Then measure by same method. Okay, PQ firstly you have to draw 3.6 centimeter, that is AB. Then you have to draw 2AB. 2AB is 7.2. Okay, similarly seventh question it is also same. Okay, that I will solve on the board. Look carefully. So look carefully this question. So in this question you have to draw these. Yes, what is given PQ is 8.9 centimeter, RS is 2.4 centimeter, and XY we have to find out. So firstly you have to draw 8.9 centimeter. So this will be the 8.9 centimeter. So this is PQ. 8.9 centimeter. RS is 2.4. So this is 2.4. Okay. And firstly in question you have to double the RS. So RS को double करोगे तो 2.4 multiply 2 is 4.8. So you have to draw 4.8 centimeter. 4.8 centimeter. Okay, so this is 2RS. Okay, so this will be 4.8 centimeter. Okay, now PQ minus 2RS. So XY is bete PQ minus 2RS. 2RS is 4.8. So you have to subtract 9 minus 8 1, 8 minus 4 4. So it is a 4.1 centimeter. So you have to draw XY. So you have to draw XY is 4.1 centimeter. Okay, so this is XY 4.1 centimeter. Okay, so how you can check ki if PQ is 8.9 centimeter. Okay, PQ is 8.9 centimeter. So how you can check? So after that you have to subtract 2RS. So 2RS is this one. So you have to measure this one. Okay, so you have to subtract. Subtract means you have to draw one arc. अब जो arc draw करोगे बेटे, so here is a minus, here is a minus. जो माइनस हो गया बेटे, जो हमारे पास लेंथ रह जाएगी वो हमारे पास क्या होगा XY. अब हम चेक करते हैं. So this is 4.1 or not, क्योंकि this one is 4.8, this is 4.8. Okay, so this will be 4.1. Yes, okay. So this is 4.1. So this length is XY. Okay, so you can check from your questions also by compass. Thank you very much.